Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Backpack Brawl error code RERE4. The error reads, "An error occurred while synchronizing. Please try again later." If the error continues, contact support. As per our research, the error comes when the game suddenly asks players to go online. After that, it shows this error code and doesn't let them proceed. According to our research, this is likely a sync issue, and in many cases, it may be caused by server-side problems. We first suggest you restart your device and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if the game needs an update. If any update is pending, install it and check if the error is resolved. If the issue continues even after updating, then try logging out of your account and logging back in. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still appears, then probably it's a server-side issue. In this case, wait for a few hours or a day and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.